I've been woodworking about 11 years now, but my oldest memory of woodworking goes back to when I was in elementary school years. My parents used to send me to Buddhist Zen camp during spring and summer break. On the first day of every Zen camp, we had to carve wooden chopsticks so we can properly eat. Although meditating 4 or 5 times a day was not what I wanted to do, I looked forward to making wooden chopsticks every time. I love the versatility of woodworking. Today, I'm going to show you how to carve 4 kitchen utensils. We're going to start with the simplest carving of butter knife, spatula, coffee scoop, and the most intimidating kuksa carving.